Hello, my name is Badini Ariam and I'm going to make a presentation about this camera. Nikon VBA440K001 D5500 digital SLR camera with 18 to 55mm VR2 compact lens kit. The price is $550.97 and free delivery in the UK. Only 9 left in stock, arrives before Christmas. Style name 18 to 55mm VR2 compact lens kit. The first compact DX format digital SLR with a very angled touchscreen is useful for composing shots that reflect your view of the world. Lightweight and powerful, this portable digital SLR boasts a monologue structure and a deep grip for improved handling. Capture details, photos and full HD movies with a 24.2 megapixel DX format CMOS sensor with no optical, low pass filter OLPF for high image quality and definition. Built-in Wi-Fi makes it for easy image sharing and makes it possible to control the camera remotely via a smart device. Nikon's X-Speed 4 image processor enables high-speed operation, noise reduction and smooth movie recording. Nikon D5500 digital SLR camera with 18 to 55mm VR2 compact lens kit. Product details. Product dimensions 10 x 10 x 10 cm, 472 grams. Box product weight 1.3 kg. Batteries 1 lithium-ion batteries required is included in the package. Item model number. Average customer review 4.6 out of the 5 stars, 69 customer reviews with Amazon. Product description. From fast movement to challenging low weight situation, low light situations, from big prints to movies, the D5500 is helpful for creative individuals looking to take their photography to the next level. The camera's large 24.2 megapixel DX format image sensor and an ISO range of 100 to 600 ensure you will capture crisp, clean images even in low light conditions. Combined with the power of a compatible NIKKOR lens, you get images that explode with clarity. Even when printed large or shown on a big screen, your photos and movies will be crystal clear, reflections of the way you see the world. Significantly lighter and much slimmer than its former ones, this D5500 boasts a monologue structure weighing in at 420 grams without battery and memory card and a deep grip for improved handling. Leave image blur behind and enjoy the freedom to create vibrant, richly detailed images that command attention. When it comes to getting the shot you want, the D5500 enhanced performance ensures results that never fail to impress, specifically designed without an optical low-pass filter. The camera's image sensor makes the most of its 24.2 megapixel resolution to render images with crisp detail. An ISO range of 100 to 600 allows you to shoot brilliant photos and movies even when the light is scarce. Nikon's 39-point autofocus system with 9 cross-type sensors in the center is always on target no matter where your subject is in the frame. and conditions, and continuous shooting speeds up to 5 frames per second mean fleeting gestures or facial expressions can be snapped at exactly the right moment, even when the action is fast. Further qualities of this camera are: leave image blur behind you, specifically designed without an optical low pass filter. The camera's image sensor makes the most of its 24.2 megapixel resolution to capture the finest textures and render images with outstanding detail. One-touch connection. For exciting shooting possibilities, the intuitive handling and touchscreen control, vari-angle artistry, and built-in Wi-Fi make the D5500 a master of versatility. Simply flip, tilt, or rotate the large 1007K LCD vari-angle monitor to compose shots that reflect your view on the world. Then tap the responsive touchscreen to focus and shoot or adjust settings such as aperture, ISO, and shutter speed. Creative angle. Whether you shoot from up high or down low, the D5500's vari-angle monitor ensures comfortable live view photography from every perspective. To enhance your pictures even further, the D5500 has a range of special effects to create truly distinct photos and movies. Durable design. The D5500 is designed to work with you wherever you choose to go. Small and lightweight at 420 grams, the carbon fiber monologue structure ensures a slim yet sturdy build with a deep grip for improved handling. From big prints to stimulus movies, the precision and flexibility of the D5500 from Nikon is ideal for creative individuals ready to take their photography to the next level. Read reviews that mention Nikon manual lens touch photos, DSLR lenses, upgrade focus kit, warranty, body settings, sensor superb, video, images, ISO, camera sharp. There are lots of customer reviews. I am going to tell you a few of those. The absolutely stunning piece of kit, worth every penny. Really good camera taking high quality pictures. Great product, speedy delivery, exactly as described. Excellent, just amazing. Wonderful entry-level camera, amazing. I hope these tips are good enough for you to decide whether to buy this camera for your Christmas celebration, as a Christmas gift. If you visit my website, you will find more information about this camera. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Thank you. Bye for now. See you in next one. Thank you. Bye for now.